how-to tutorial of coming into Urdhva Padmasana. Begin in Dandasana. Have your spine long and your gaze down at your toes. Now take your right foot to the inner crease of your left leg and your left foot to the inner crease of your right, coming into Lotus Pose, Padmasana. Bring your hands onto your knees and lift up through the crown of your head. On your next breath, guide your legs out in front of you. Now if you need to, scoot yourself up your mat and bring yourself slowly onto your back. Guide yourself now into shoulder stand and come into Padmasana, taking your right foot to the inner crease of your left and your left to your right. Bring your hands to your knees, keep your arms straight and strong, and lift up through the sit bones. When you're ready, you're going to rock yourself up, coming back into a seated position of Padmasana. Namaste.